So hello and welcome. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Shehzada Anwar. Today in this video I am going to talk about my journey of learning English. Please do not get me wrong. I am just learning English. I am not a experienced person or someone who is speaking very well. This is the time when I am learning my English. I really want you to speak English, and I really want to help you. I want to transform your life. Today in this video I am going to talk about my journey of learning English, and I am also going to talk about the importance of English, why we should learn English. Listen one thing, if personally speaking, I am not considering English as a class, but it is very important in our life to learn it, to master it, because nowadays it is not only a foreign language, it is an international language, so we have to master it, because your career is going to grow from here to here if you learn English. So why not? This is the peak time, this is the actual time to learn it. So let us learn it. One problem of ours, whenever we have decided to learn English, we are just jumping through the Google and YouTube, we are just researching a lot, and there are a lot of things in our mind, so we are unable to apply. We are actually confused what to apply and when to apply. So just make your mindset to learn English, and after that just follow one or two mentor and you will be able to speak. If you want me to help you, I will help you for sure. I am planning to make a WhatsApp group or a Telegram group where we all can connect together and can practice our English. Actually, if you want to talk with me, I'm interested to talk with you one-to-one, so that we all can grow together, because it is all about speaking. Many a time we all are good at our grammar, we all are good at our vocabulary, we all are good at our tenses, but we are unable to speak. Why? Have you ever wondered why? Because we are not actually practicing enough, we are not speaking enough. There are 4 pillars of English speaking: listening, you can say that LSWR, listening, speaking, writing and reading. Let us consider, sometimes we are just doing that reading, sometimes we are watching and listening, but we are not doing anything, we are not speaking. And speaking is very important, very important. If truly speaking, if you are getting at least 15 minutes in a day, just dedicate it into speaking. If you are not getting a lot of time, you are in a job, so just dedicate it into speaking. If you are speaking for daily, you will achieve it. Believe me, you can achieve it. It is a lot of people are saying that it is not a piece of cake, but I am saying that if it is not a piece of cake, then it is not that hard nut to crack. You can just crack it, you can just learn it. It is all about speaking, it is all about practicing. If we are not going to practice it, we cannot achieve it. Sometimes we are just thinking that it is very tough. Whenever you are your mindset, you are thinking that it is very tough, it is actually going to be tough. Just take it light. It is only a language. If you are able to speak Hindi, if you are able to speak Urdu, if you are able to speak your regional language, then why not English? Just because you are not practicing English. Second thing, why English is very important. It is important because it is an international language. If you are going to speak it, you can get a good job, you can be a good speaker. Sometimes we are not you can be a good speaker in whenever you are speaking in Hindi as well. But we are thinking that a lot of people are thinking that if you are not good enough in English, they are thinking that you are not confident enough. But it is not okay. So why not to master it? This is the day to master it. If someone of you want to actually learn English, want to speak English with me, I am going to drop out my email in the description box. Just mail me. Just come. Just take charge of your life. It is your life. You have to take charge of your life. If you are not going to take charge now, you cannot do it. Believe me. Just take charge in your life. Just now, and it is actually very easy task. It is you are not going to spend lot of time, lot of energy. Just speak for half an hour, but whenever you are dedicating your time, dedicate it in a right direction. Sometimes many of you are maybe practicing for last 2 years, 3 years, 10 years, but you are unable to speak because you are not dedicating your time in a right direction. If you will dedicate your time in a right direction, you will cramp it, you will get it. Because it is not a hard nut to crack. I'm always saying that it is actually very easy. And I have my another channel, Way to Heal, where I used to share my ideas of reviewing book, a lot of problems of your daily life in Hindi. So a lot of my subscribers, lot of my students are mailing me, commenting that please do something for our English. So I thought that channel will not be enough. for all thing are going to mix up there. So I thought to create a new channel here. If you really want to speak English, just comment below and leave your mail. I will mail you. I will let you know whatever I am going to do for you. Thank you so much. That's it for today. Please stay connected, keep growing.